सबसे पहले आप सबको हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे। आज हमारे भारत को इंडिपेंडेंट हुए 80 साल हो गए हैं एंड टुडे वी आर सेलिब्रेटिंग द इंडिपेंडेंस डे। वी सेलिब्रेट इंडियाज फ्रीडम एवरी ईयर। वी टॉक अबाउट फ्रीडम, we talk about everything what we got after freedom. But what if I tell you that something without realizing it, we are raising our children who are afraid to be free? आपको समझ आया कि हम ऐसे बच्चे रेस कर रहे हैं कि जिनको फ्रीडम का मतलब ही पता नहीं है, क्योंकि हम उन्हें फ्रीडम नहीं दे रहे हैं। हमारे पास बहुत सारी चीजें हैं कि हम उनको बोल रहे हैं ये करो वो करो, एंड दिस इज अ हाई टाइम टू थिंक अबाउट इट। All of us proudly say that India is independent. But when the child says, I don't want this, we say, because I said so. You have to do this. When they make a different choices, we say, what we people say, do that. We have experience because we are elder to you, we are your parents. When they make a mistake, we immediately step in and fix it. So today, on this 80th Independence Day, let's ask ourselves, are we really teaching our children what independence means? Because our children are the future of the nation, and what we are doing with the future of nation unintentionally, just we are stuck in old kind of parenting. Because independence is not just about freedom of another country or one country. It is about raising a human being who can think, who can speak, decide, and stand up for themselves responsibly. Freedom will never come without responsibility. It doesn't mean you can do anything, you can scold anybody, you can say any wrong things from for anyone, like in some people are doing on social media. But when you give freedom to the children, that should given with responsibility. Today on this Independence Day, I'm going to tell you 5 things we often do on the name of freedom that we need to rethink. सो पहली चीज क्या है कि वी ऑल हैव सिंगल चाइल्ड, वी ऑप्टेड दिस बिकॉज वी वांट आवर फ्रीडम, राइट? सो you know that my child can do whatever they want or whatever he want. So that is where we are making mistake. We are not telling them boundaries. So freedom doesn't mean no boundaries. Sometimes we say, I don't want to control my child, he is independent, I'm giving freedom to him. But where is the responsibility? Children still need guidance, limit, and consequences. Instead of giving freedom without boundaries, you can say you have choices, but every choices has consequences. You should tell them, or you should help them to take the age appropriate decisions and understand the responsibility which should come at the early age. Second thing, let them use screen. आजकल बहुत टैबू चला है यार, स्क्रीन नहीं होना चाहिए, बच्चों का ये पॉपअप सिंड्रोम आ रहा है, फलाना सिंड्रोम आ रहा है। आई थिंक इफ यू नो हाउ टू हैंडल द स्क्रीन, दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट। बट सम टाइम पेरेंट्स आर बिजी इन देयर ओन स्केड्यूल, दे सेड अरे बहुत तंग करता है इसलिए मैं इसको स्क्रीन दे देता हूं, एंड यू थिंक दे आर इंडिपेंडेंट इनफ। गिविंग अ चाइल्ड unlimited screen unlimited screen time isn't it independence? Sometimes we call it freedom because it's easier than setting boundaries, right? हमको कुछ बोलना नहीं है, आराम से बच्चा देख रहा है, हमें डिस्टर्ब नहीं कर रहा है, that is enough for us. We need our mental peace. That is important, but not at the cost of your child mental peace. These days autism is not a bad thing, you know, but this virtual autism is bad. So instead of this, teach them self control. Teach them when to put your phone down, how to protect their privacy, what not to share online, and how to balance the entertainment with the real life. When I talk about what to share online. There are many people who are stuck. I am getting the clients where they are sharing their picture, and they are into the trap of blackmail. So when we give this kind of education to the children at the very early age, it will not happen. So the real thing is that independence जो होता है उसका mean होता है कि managing yourself, not being controlled by the screen. You cannot be the slave of the screen. Let the screen make your slave, so that whenever you want to use, you can use, and when you don't want to use, you are having that subconscious mindset that I don't want to use it. It's enough. तीसरी चीज, let them choose their career. इट इज गुड कि आप अपने बच्चे को ये ऑप्शन दे रहे हो कि करियर चूज करो, बट यू शुड टेल योर एक्सपीरियंस ऑल्सो. दिस शुड लुक लाइक फ्रीडम. अब आपका बच्चा बोल रहा है मुझे तो पढ़ना नहीं है, मुझे यूट्यूबर बनना है, राइट? You can do YouTube while doing your right kind of career also. That is fine. If you're a housewife sitting at home, you can do YouTube. That is nothing wrong in that. You are utilizing your time. But when it comes to the making year and your child is saying, I wanted to become YouTuber, and you're saying, nahi, nahi, mera bacha, let him choose. Maybe YouTuber are also earning so much. And this kind of things will come ki whatever they will choose, they can do. Any profession is good. Yes, if you do excel in that, any profession is good. And many parents who doesn't have another option, and they know that their child can't do that, they just use this option कि भाई हमने इसको बहुत freedom दे रखा है, let him choose his own career, he is capable of enough of it. And sometimes parents say, choose whatever you want, without helping them to understand their strength, their interest, their responsibility, and reality of different career. Instead of all these things, you can ask or teach them how to make informed decision after getting a lots of information what is happening where. Don't choose their future for them. Let them choose, but guide them. You should not abandon them from this. So you have to guide without controlling. That is very important. But don't let them choose their career themselves without information. Then, if we are talking about saying no, it is very important. Fourth point is very important, that whenever your child is speaking to someone, they should speak their mind instead of pleasing other. Do not teach them pleasing attitude. Freedom of speech doesn't mean that you can say anything to anyone. It is very important to teach your child what to do, what are the boundaries. Just be yourself. You should help your child how to communicate respectfully instead of saying that. You can say you can disagree without disrespecting other. So teach them how to express anger without hurting other, and saying no without guilt, and stand up for themselves by putting someone else down. बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि हम अपने लिए स्टैंड होते हैं और ट्राई करते हैं कि सामने वाले को तो मैं नीचा दिखा दूंगा. ये एटीट्यूड आपको अपनी लाइफ से निकालना है, तभी आपके बच्चे उस तरह का दूसरा एटीट्यूड डेवलप कर पाएंगे कि हम वी कैन से नो विदाउट मेकिंग समवन फीलिंग गिल्टी or without putting someone down. So it is very important, because no is a complete sentence, but you should know how and when to say. Fifth important thing which we as a parents do, we always protect them from every problem. We are not raising children, we are raising a sponge. We are raising a soft person, and we are raising it from home only. But because outside world is very cruel, right? This is perhaps the biggest one problem. We love our children, we love our children so much that we want to remove every struggle from their path. But when it comes to the problem solving, how will they learn to solve the problem themselves? If I'll give you the example of one country who decided to have single child, and they love their children so much. Child have grandparents, child have parents, child have uncle, and they don't know how to resolve the problem, how to solve the problem, because everything they are solving for them. And when they went out, they get so many problems because it is not their area of dealing people. Okay. So instead of this, teach them resilience. Let them experience small failure in the very beginning, because it hardly matter if they fail also. Let them negotiate with the friend. If some two friends are fighting, two people are fighting, let them negotiate themselves. Do not be like a parents, oh मेरे बच्चे को ऐसे कैसे कर दिया. Sit, look from far, and let them negotiate what is happening. Let them handle age appropriate responsibility. If you are giving them age appropriate responsibility, the child will become responsible. Let them do mistake, because mistakes are the learning. अगर आप mistake से सीख रहे हैं तो आप उन्हें ये मत बताइए कि this is mistake. आप ये बताइए कि what did you learn from that mistake. Some there is a quote, no, कि I am not um, failure, but I have 100 way to know how to get success, where I can come down. So sometime ask, what do you think you can do about this? Whenever they comes to you with the problem, you just ask them, what can be the solution? Can you tell me? Take their opinion, take their idea, so that you will come to know that how they are solving the problem. Are they capable of solving the problem, or do you need to help them indirectly? Always help your child indirectly, habitual way of doing things. They will see and they will do. So on this Independence Day, or what does true Independence Day look like? A truly independent child is not a child who gets everything they want. It is a child who can say, I can think about myself, I can make responsible choices, I can say no, something doesn't feel right when something doesn't feel right. And I can say no with respectful, without putting someone down. I can ask for help when it is needed. I can make mistake without feeling that I am failure. The child who take mistake as a learning curve, they become success. Most important that I know who am I. Even when the world is saying अरे वो तो कुछ नहीं कर सकती, उसको कुछ नहीं आता है, वो क्या ही कर लेगी, उसने क्या ही पढ़ा है, वो कहाँ से आई है, ये सब चीजें भले ही कोई बोले, लेकिन you should know that I know who am I, even when the world tells who I should be. So on this Independent Day, dear parents, let's pledge that let's not teach our children celebrate the freedom of the country, where people do so many dances, so many things and all. Let's teach them to use this freedom responsibly. Let's give them freedom to think, freedom to speak, make mistake, freedom to choose, and freedom to become who they are meant to be. Because one day your children will leave the home and enter to the real world. What will happen then? Our job is not to make they are never facing the difficulties. Our job is to make them to know how to face the difficulties. So happy independence to all the parents, and now let's together not just raise the children who is free and who is living in a free country. Let's raise the children who know who are free in their mind, confident in their choices, and responsible for their action. Because freedom without responsibility is useless. So, on this Independence Day, let's make this clear that our children know the true meaning of freedom. अच्छा, आप अभी इंडिपेंडेंस डे पे रह तो सोसाइटी में रहे होंगे, या कहीं भी आप स्कूल में पढ़ा रहे हो, या कहीं भी आप जॉब कर रहे हो, आपको इंडिपेंडेंस डे के डेकोरेशन के लिए कुछ ना कुछ चाहिए होता है. सो आप मेरे ये कनेक्टेड प्रोडक्ट्स में देख सकते हैं, जैसे कि इंडिपेंडेंस डे डेकोरेशन बैनर्स हैं, रिबन हैं, ट्राई कलर बलून हैं, और many decorations items are there. I'll post the link below and you can go and check there.